I was born with hip dysplasia. I think the surgery started when I was 3 months, and then from there, I was in that cast for a long time. I can't even imagine from my mother's perspective of you don't get to see somebody stand for the first time, crawl for the first time, walk, take your first steps. Growing up, I had a jump in my step. I had a couple kids in school, thought it was just like a little pep in my step. But deep down, I knew it was because my hips weren't aligned. I continued to play sports. I did softball, I ran, I felt something, but I wasn't sure exactly what it was. I have 3 children. I was a bartender for most of my life. I was on my feet constantly, chasing after my kids. Nothing ever really stopped me. I just was a normal mom. Just from being a runner most of my life, and that's my mental clarity. I would start running. All of a sudden, I feel this pain in what I think is my knee, and it's getting worse and worse. And for 6 months, the pain never subsided. I went to urgent care, and they did the x-ray and saw it actually wasn't my knee, it was my hip. They told me, you need to go see an orthopedic surgeon. I looked at a couple different people, but Orozco stood out because every single review was, he is one of the greatest surgeons. And I walk in and he's exactly what everybody said he would be.
In Melissa's case, her pain that she experienced was present basically since she was born. And what that means is that she never experienced a life without pain. That's all she knew, almost like background music. She developed arthritis at a very early age. We did the physical exam, we tried conservative treatment, we did x-rays, and at one point, we had to make the decision to fix her hip. You are never too young nor too old to feel better. And the reason why this is possible is because technology is so much better. With robotics, we are very accurate, and that precision brings a better surgery. Our patients can go home the same day of surgery.
The Center of Orthopaedic Surgery is incredible. I was there at 5:45 in the morning, ready to go, and even with masks, you could tell that everybody was smiling. After the surgery, they gave me a walker to walk with a little bit. This is 6 hours after the surgery, and I'm already walking. That was not something that I thought would happen. To get rid of the prior pain before was life-changing, truly. Every day just got better and better and better. I saw a dramatic change in 2 weeks. I was running again at 2 months, and then bartending at 3 months. I'm looking forward to exercising like I was when I was in my 20s. I look forward to going to walk the boardwalks with my kids in the summertime, and nothing's holding me back.
You can do anything you want to.
And that is the best reward that as a surgeon you can have. Patient satisfaction to me is not about 5 stars or 4 stars. That's beautiful and that's very, very, very fulfilling. But what really fulfills you in life is the ability to make a change in somebody's life. And that's what excites me about how beautiful Melissa's doing.
Ooh, darling, you have everything. You can do anything you want.